things down. Give us a call on the traffic tip line if you see a problem, 330-450-1480. Well, according to AccuWeather, we are going to see some sunshine today and a high of 78, mainly clear skies tonight, a low of 56. And then tomorrow and Thursday should be pretty nice. High tomorrow, 76. The high on Thursday will be 81. Right now, 60 degrees on your severe weather station, 1480 WHBC. Well, as we know, things are slowly getting back to what used to be normal in all around Stark County. And one of those things, the process of the courts. And we have with us this morning, and I'll tell you, you can also check us out live on our Facebook page at 1480 WHBC. Just go and like our Facebook page, and you'll see the Honorable Judge Frank Forchione this morning, as well as hear him. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. I hear I'm the warm-up act to Mayor Tom Burnaby.
Yeah, you absolutely are. I was saying that to JD. I said, boy, oh boy, look at those two coming on the show together. That's it. Very good. Very good. Before we start talking about the courts, I do want to say thank you to Everything for Wishes Can Happen, because you were there, and that was just, it just turned out fantastic. Fantastic.
Well, we couldn't have done it without WHBC and your help. I mean, I think we raised like $188,000, 37 wishes, and thank you, the generosity of the Stark County community. It's an amazing thing.
Yeah, it was great. It was great. All right. So when did you start having jury trials again?
Well, we're back in business 2 weeks ago. I actually tried the first two. I tried a rape case and a kidnapping case, and it looks like a bit of a science fiction movie the way we're doing it. But we spent 3 months planning it, and it worked out pretty well.
So as things, let's start at the beginning. So let's start with the jury selection. How's it all working?
Well, we're doing it at the Cultural Center. We actually looked at 5 different sites because with social distancing, our jury room wouldn't work. So we were using the recital room out there, which is just really huge, and they're good to work with. And we do the social distancing, we screen, we have mask, social distancing, the whole works. And it's worked out very well.
So once the jury is selected, then do you go back to the courthouse for the trials?
Yeah, that's the different part of it. We pick the jury out there. Then we go to our courtrooms, which now look totally different. We have plexiglass separating the jurors and separating the lawyers and surrounding the judge as well as the witnesses. The jurors were very impressed. And I have to tell you about our maintenance group. Every break, the door busts open and they come flying out like a SWAT team. And it's an amazing thing to see. I can't say enough about them. And they sanitize everything. And the jurors afterwards commented that they felt so good watching all the effort that the judges and we had a strategic committee had put together.
With the process and all the things that you have to do, are you doing less trials than you had in the past, or is it taking more time for you?
That's a great question. We were put on hold by the Supreme Court for 3 months, so we're backed up, and we have time limitations. Some people say, well, why don't you wait till January to start again? We can't. So we're all kind of backed up, and we're just getting started. I did 2 the week before. Last week, Judge Hartnett had 1. And next week, Judge Farmer, I, and Judge Haupt all have jury trials that are going forward.
So it feels like everything seems to be working fine. You're kind of getting used to the new normal.
It is. It took a lot of work, and it's still a little strange, but jurors should feel good. We send them a juror letter when they're a prospective juror, and we ask them if they're having any respiratory or any health issues. We're not going to bring them in. If they've been quarantined or had the virus, we're not going to bring them in. So we are doing everything that we can not to bring people in that could make them nervous, other jurors nervous, or the courts nervous. And so far it's worked out well. We're tweaking every jury trial. You always find something a little bit different you can do better. Unlike WHBC that does everything great, we have to maneuver a little bit to get it done right.
I swear I'm not paying off the judge to say that. Well, I'm glad that it's all working out. And so the citizens of Stark County who get called for jury duty should not be afraid, right?
They shouldn't. The only thing people are usually afraid of is me. The other judges are all very nice, but if you draw me, then you're worried. But no, we have spent 3 months doing this. We had the health commissioners come in and review the sites, review our plan. We got the health department aboard. They approved it. So we've done everything we can to operate efficiently, safely, and to keep the public secure.
All right. Well, if people have questions, I would imagine they probably can just call the courthouse and ask those questions, right?
Yeah, and something else extraordinary happened, if I could have 2 seconds.
Yeah, absolutely.
My good friend Craig Chesler hit a hole-in-one Sunday at the Ferry golf outing, and we're so proud of him and so thrilled. He thought he won a car, and then they told him it was the wrong par 3, so he won a year of golf, which is okay anyway.
Hey, that is okay anyway. Yeah. Congratulations to
for a great golf in Perry Township.
Yes, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. All right. That's awesome. Well, that's a great way to wrap things up this morning. You have a great day, Judge. We'll talk again soon.
Thanks for having me.